Chica's getting ready to go. We're going kayaking. We're going kayaking in the middle of the woods in Orlando. We're going on the springs. Aren't we, Chiki?
Yep.
All right.
Не только в одном месте. Ну, тут ниже.
Very breathy.
All right. You're doing a good job, Chiki. You're doing all the work.
Yeah, we got an otter right here to our left side, right here, guys.
An otter. He's right there, sweetie. Look at him.
Coming right towards you guys.
He's right there.
An otter.
See him right there?
А, вот она.
See him moving?
По дереву.
There he goes.
Вот, вот, плывет.
Yep.
По берегу.
Yeah, he's coming.
Так пойти медвежонок, да, папа?
Awesome, right?
Вон, вон, вон.
Они очень длинные.
Across me right to you.
Вон, ты видишь, вон она плывет?
There he goes.
Вон, вон, возле дерева. поплыла.
Very cute.
You can go right underneath him.
But I'm on this side.
What's up, buddy?
You filming?
Yeah, I'm filming. What's up, buddy? Feels so good.
So, oh, don't worry, I'm fine getting wet. So remember, guys, the shallowest point is hugging that palm tree and straight out. Directly out that way is pretty deep.
Deep, yep, all right. I'll just be...
Right here.
If you don't want to get wet, right?
If you don't want to get wet, which you're at the wrong place.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, up go. Yeah.
The wettest word.
Yeah.
She's got a baby.
What this is called Emerald's Cut.
Emerald's Cut.
Chica, we're at Emerald's Cut. I'm gonna take it.
Welcome to it. Water, of course, is flowing this way.
Yep.
And the very first tree that it hits is this one right here, which is the deepest one. So the water hits the tree, water shoots down and around, creating that cut effect. So directly behind this tree here, it's about 5 to 6 feet deep, sometimes 7. The river constantly is changing. So last time I was on that backside, it was probably about 6 feet or so.
Wow.
And on either side is about 4 to 5. I know today I feel like this side is a little bit deeper. But like I said, the floor bed is constantly changing on the river. And that's just because of the sand is constantly moving, the channels are constantly creating. Like there's one spot up top where we're going to be going, and there's a tree jump there. And the tree jump used to not be where it was, and now there's a same tree, but a different spot where you jump into, just because the river is constantly changing.
Changing. And this is all just what kind of, just is plain white sand?
Clean white sand.
Yep.
So all this water is coming from rock springs, and after time, you know, rock turns into sand.
Yeah,
So
that's it. That's it.
breaks on down. Some of the sand can actually come out from the spring as well, but a lot of it is coming from that those rocks up there. So this is Rock Springs Run right here, and this is Emerald's Cut on Rock Springs Run.
I'm looking at you.
1, 2, 3.
Woo!
That was kind of lame.
Thank
Who's
you.
going next?
What do you think, Chick? Turn around. Beautiful, huh?
Just gorgeous.
Gorgeous. All right.
You would climb to right here, and then you'd jump out right in there.
Wow.
So pretty good jump. I would show you guys, but I can't get my thing wet.
I don't want to get stitches.
No, I wakeboarded and I got into a little bit of a wakeboarding accident. I had a minor concussion as well.
I looked down.
My head.
Oh.
How'd you get up on this thing?
Tightrope.
Yeah. Probably the best
Oh
start off.
Lord, have mercy.
So I would actually recommend you hop on it like right here.
Yeah.
Just because down there the sound is super good.
I don't know. It's gonna be. All right. Actually, let everybody get their pictures first. then
Yeah,
we'll go.
let them get their pictures exactly. He's like, I'm not sure about this.
I'm not too sure about this.
Nope.
What's up? Oh, yeah. Leisurely floating down the river.
So Schumann is steering because we're just going down river now.
This is the easy part. Now we're going downriver.
Yeah. But it's just beautiful. See the turquoise water behind us? I found this on Instagram. And it's amazing.
It's like a lazy river right now. A lot of work, huh?
He's getting a kick out of it though. How's it going, Schumann?
How am I doing? Am I doing a good job
You're
steering?
doing a good job steering. The river's just taking us, right?
That's right.
You hear all kinds of quiet parts, and then you hear like the frogs.
Frogs.
We
We haven't seen any alligators.
haven't seen any gators, but we did see what did we see? A beaver?
A beaver. No, an otter.
An otter, and we saw a heron.
And a bunch of fish.
We've seen lots of fish in the bottom. Little fish, middle fish. And my little friend over here, the little boy, was like, "You like fish?" He's showing me a little fish in the water. And I'm like, if you only knew, I know like fish.
Here's the emerald cut. This is emerald cut, chicken.
This is emerald cut right here. There it is. Everyone's kayaks. Hello. Here's the big, beautiful trees that kind of signifies the start of it right there. I can see. So how do those people that were like on the side access the cut?
Those people out there?
Uh-huh.
So, there's a few ways where they could have gotten out here. They could be campers of
okay.
which is hopefully the way that they came through here. But of course there are a bunch of people that try and get out here trespassing.
Okay.
Like alongside where you guys parked.
You're right.
Outside. Technically, if you just walked straight long enough through all the marsh and swamp through there, you would get to this river.
Oh, okay.
Actually, what's the name of this actual river?
This is the Rock Springs Run.
Springs Run.
Yes, sir. So Rock Springs Run leads into the Wekiva River and the Wekiva River Basin, and then that leads into the St. John's.
Okay, St. John's, yes.
St. John's is right over by Daytona, New Smyrna area.
Yep. That starts off in like Sanford area, right?
Yep. So that goes right into the Atlantic Ocean.
Yep. And it flows south to north.
Yep.
Yep.
Same thing with this river at some point. But the St. John's really does it in the Wekiva River Basin, which technically this is part of.
Yeah.
Does that as well.
Oh, okay.
Which back in my throat.
Oh. Spring.